All right, y'all, got the finally it warmed up. I got the bumper painted. Let's see. Okay. And you can really see the pearl in it. I guess the car is just that dirty. I can't see it that good. With the right light you can see it. Anyway, I'm gonna try to put it on. Let's see if it makes a difference. That's a endura bumper. That's it before. So I got to put the bumper on and the bottom spoiler. All right, y'all, and there it is. That's the endura bumper. I got it on, and the bottom spoiler. It turned out awesome. Endura bumper was quite a difference in the other bumper, but there you go. If you're thinking about which bumper to get, I would recommend that. I think it really turned out good. So now I got to do the exhaust jet and my dash pad. I'm waiting on the dash pad to come back. They're having to redo it. I didn't like how it turned out the first time. And exhaust, dash pad, and that's it. This project will be done.